Good morning, PP2, and welcome to another lesson. Today, we're going to be doing maths. Specifically, we're going to talk about different sizes. For example, we're going to be talking about small, medium, and large. But we're also going to talk about big, bigger, and biggest. And also small, smaller, smallest. Okay, so let's have a look at the first page over here. Okay, this is page 56. So everybody open your book on page 56. Now you don't need anything else but your book right now. You don't need a pencil, you don't need a color, nothing. Just listen and repeat. Okay, so let's have a look at the top row over there. Over there we have three buses. Yes, we have three buses. Now, a bus is big or small? Yes, a bus is big. All right, but let's have a look at that first bus over there. So the first bus over there is big, yes, because a bus is always big. But if that bus is big, then what about that second bus? What do we call the second bus? Do we call it big, big, or very big? No, we call it bigger. Yes, bigger. Yeah, so we have big and then bigger. Repeat after me. Bigger. Bigger. Very good. Okay, so we have big, bigger, and how about that last bus over there? What about that one? What should we call that one? Biggerer? No, that's not what we say, do we? No, that one is the biggest. The biggest. Repeat after me. The biggest. One more time. The biggest. Okay, good job. All right, so down there we have some balls. Yeah, we have three balls. Now the first ball is very small. Repeat after me. Small. One more time. Small. Very good. Okay, now let's have a look at that second ball. So that second ball is a little bit bigger than the first ball, yeah? So if we compare these three balls, that second ball is medium. Repeat after me. Medium. One more time. Medium. Very good. So we have small and then we have medium. So how about that last ball over there? That one we call large. Repeat after me. Large. One more time. Large. Okay, good job. Now let's have a look at the last row of pictures over there. We got, you got some spiders. I don't like spiders. Scary. All right, but spiders are always small, yes? So the first spider, even though it is bigger than the other three spiders, it's still small, yes? Because spiders are just small. All right, so repeat after me. Small. All right, so how about that second one? Remember what we did at the top with the buses? Yes, it was big and then bigger. Yeah, we do the same for small. Small and then smaller. Yes? Repeat after me. Smaller. One more time. Smaller. Good job. Okay, then let's have a look at that last spider over there. That one is the... Yes, it is the smallest. Very good. Repeat after me. Smallest. One more time. Smallest. Okay, good job. Okay, now for the next page, you're gonna need your pencil and a rubber just in case you make a little mistake. So let's have a look at that next page over there. Okay, so what do we see? We see three airplanes, we see three fire engines, and we have three trains. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to write numbers 1, 2, and 3 from the smallest to the biggest. So basically, small is number 1, and medium is number 2, and large is number 3. And we're going to do the first 2 lines together. So the airplane and the fire engine, we're going to do those together, okay? But the last one with the train, that one you're going to have to do by yourself. Okay, so let's get started with the airplanes. I think the airplane one is quite easy because they're already in the correct order, aren't they? So the first one is big or small? What do you say? Yes, it's small. The first airplane over there is small. And what number did I say we're going to use for small? Yes, very good. Number 1. Yes, number 1 for small. So at that first airplane, we're going to write number 1. Yeah, just like that. Now I want you to copy that number 1 in your book. Okay. Let's have a look at the second airplane. So the first one is small. Then can you tell me if that second one is medium or large? Good job. Yes, the second one is medium. And what number did I say we're going to use for medium? Yes, number 2. Okay, so get out your pencil and write number 2 just like that. Okay. Did you copy that? All right, let's go to the next airplane. So we have small, medium. Oh, there's only one more left. The last one is... Yes, the last one is large. Very good. The last one is large. And what number did I say we're going to use for large? I think it should be quite easy, right? If small is 1 and medium is 2, then large must be number 5, right? No, the large one is number 3, of course. It's number 3. So the last airplane, we're going to write number 3 just like that. Okay, so make sure you copy this in your book. 1, 2, 3. Yes. But only write 1, 2, 3 for the airplanes. Yes. The fire engines are not in the same order. Yes. Don't write 1, 2, 3 for the fire engines because they'll be all wrong. Well, except for one. One will be correct, but the other 2 will be wrong. All right, so let's have a look at those fire engines. Okay, so that first one is the first fire engine. Is it small, medium, or large? Yes, very good. It is large. It is large. And what number did I say we're going to use for large? Yes, number 3. Very good. Okay, how about the next picture? Is it small or medium? Yes, again, is it small or is it medium? What did you say? Good job! It is medium. And what number do we use for medium? Yes, we use number 2. Okay, so write number 2 over there in that fire engine. And the last one, well, there's only one more left, isn't there? 3, 2. Very good. 1. Yes, because that last fire engine is small. And I told you to use number 1 for small. Okay, so now at the bottom over there, like I told you, you're going to have to do that one by yourself. So there are 3 trains and you have to write them 1 for small, 2 for medium, and 3 for large. Yes? Again, 1 for small, 2 for medium, and 3 for large. Okay, so do that now. If you're already finished, you can follow me to the next page. If you're not finished, just pause the video and continue the video after you've finished with your page. Okay, so here we are on the next page. Now, what do we see on this page over here? Okay, I see 3 elephants and I see 3 whales. Okay, 3 elephants and 3 whales. Now, are those 3 elephants, are they the same? Yes or no? No, they are not the same. One of them is big, one of them is small, and one of them is, yes, medium. Very good. So we have a small one, a medium one, and a large one. Okay. And the same goes for the whales. We have a large, a medium, and a small whale. So what you're going to need to do now is you're going to need to get out your pencil, and I want you to draw a line from the large elephant to the large whale. So draw a line from the large elephant to the large whale, just like this. Okay, so that first line is free. I'll help you with that first line. But the next 2 lines, I want you to do by yourself. So for the next one, I want you to connect the medium elephant with the medium whale. And also the small elephant with the small whale. So again, the medium elephant with the medium whale. And also the small elephant with the small whale. Yes? So don't draw lines from elephant to elephant or from whale to whale. You can only draw lines from elephant to the whale. Understand? Okay, so let's go to the next page. Now this next page is a little bit more fun, I think, because in the next page, all you need to do is just color the animals. Now let's have a look at what animals we can see over here. Alright, so at the top we have 3 sheep. Then we have 3 deer, and at the bottom we've got 3 ducks. Now let's have a good look at those animals, because yes, there are 3 sheep. But are those 3 sheep the same? No, they are not the same, are they? One sheep is large, another sheep is small, and another sheep is medium-sized. And that goes the same for the deer and for the duck. So what are we going to do? Well, you can't just color the animals any color you want. You have to color all the big animals red. You need to color all the medium animals blue, and you need to color all the small animals green. Did you get that? So one more time. All the big animals, I want you to color those red. Yes? The medium animals, you color blue. And the small animals, you color green. Okay, so let's have a look at the sheep. Let's get started with the sheep. So I'm going to help you with this first one. So when we look at the sheep, I'm going to color that big sheep over there. I'm gonna color it red, like that. And now I'm gonna color the medium sheep. Remember what color? What color is the medium sheep? Yes, very good. Blue. We're going to color it blue. Boop. Very good. All right. And the last sheep, we're going to color what color? Pink? No. Yellow? No. We're going to color it green. Just like, boop, like that. Now, the other animals you can now do by yourself. So color the big deer red, color the big duck red, the medium deer and the medium duck blue, and the small deer and the small duck green. Okay, so if you are finished coloring, you can go to the next page. But if you're not, and I don't think you're finished coloring this quick, because nobody can color this fast, then just pause the video, and then when you're finished coloring, you continue the video so we can go to the next page. Okay, so what do we see on the next page? Okay, well, I see 3 trains, I see a rocket, a fence, and an airplane. Okay. Now, so we have the train and the rocket. Now, the rocket is shorter than the train. I want you to repeat after me. The rocket is shorter than the train. One more time. The rocket is shorter than the train. Okay, now the whole sentence in one go. Let's see if you can do it. The rocket is shorter than the train. Okay, good try. Now, let's have a look at the next ones. We have the train and the fence. Now, repeat after me. The fence is longer than the train. And let's do it slowly. Repeat. The fence is longer than the train. The fence is longer than the train. All right, and the whole sentence. The fence is longer than the train. Okay, time for the last one. The airplane and the train. Which one is longer? No, they're both the same, aren't they? The train and the airplane are the same. Now this sentence is a little bit longer. The airplane is the same length as the train. Ooh, that's a long sentence. The airplane, repeat after me. The airplane is the same length as the train. And one more time. The airplane is the same length as the train. All right, now the whole sentence in one go. The airplane is the same length as the train. Whoo! That was a difficult sentence. Did you do it? Okay, good job. Okay, and here we are on the last page for today. And on this page we have 6 pictures and we can see some blocks. Okay, now what do we need to do over here? We need to measure each picture by counting how many blocks long each picture is. Now that sounds kind of difficult, but don't worry, we're going to do the first 4 pictures together, and all you have to do by yourself is the last 2 pictures. Okay, so let's have a look. We have the first picture, we have a key. All right, so we see a key. And the key has how many blocks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks. But if you look carefully, you can see that the 4 blocks is longer than the key. So let's count how many blocks long the key actually is. 1, 2, 3. You see that? The key is only 3 blocks long. It's not 4. So yes, there are 4 blocks, but the key only goes as far as 3 blocks. Understand? So what we need to write down in the box is number 3. Did you do it? Okay. Then we go to the next picture. In the next picture, you can see a nail. Repeat after me. Nail. Nail. Very good. Now, how many blocks do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 blocks. But just like the key, I don't think the nail is actually 5 blocks long. No, it isn't. It is actually only 4 blocks long. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks long. Which brings us to the next picture, which is the belt. Now again, how many blocks do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8 blocks. But just like the last two pictures, the belt is not actually 8 blocks long. No, the belt is how long? Count. Can you count? Did you say 7? Yes, very good. It is 7 blocks long. So over there we write number 7. Which brings us to the last picture that I'm going to help you with. Not the last picture of the page, just the last one that I'm going to help you with. And the last one is a fork. Repeat after me. Fork. Very good. Now, how many blocks do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 blocks. But how many blocks long is the fork? 1, 2. Yeah, only 2 blocks. So next to the fork, you write number 2. Write number 2. Okay, so those last 2 pictures I want you to do by yourself. So look at the leaf and count how many blocks long the leaf is. Then look at the twig and count how many blocks long the twig is. And if you really cannot do it, maybe you can ask mommy or daddy or your big brother or sister or anyone else to help you with those last 2 pictures. But that is it for today. That is all the work you have to do in your book today. So we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye-bye.